Todd here again from Todd Sheds. What I'd like to speak to you about now is to draw your attention to some of the upgrades that you can put into your new shed. Obviously, windows and doors are the most common features. The pressure treated wood skirting. If you have a double barn style door versus a regular door, you may want a ramp for your ATV, your lawn tractor, your motorcycle. A lot of people these days are getting us to put shelving in for them or make a workbench. Potting stations are very popular. A lot of folks that love gardening have had has put in potting stations for them. Those are the type of things you can also upgrade to a 9 light door, or what's called a vented door. A vented door is basically a window in the top portion of the door, where a 9 light is like nine little panes of glass in the top half of the door. So there's so many different things you can do. A lot of customers will bring suggestions to us, and if we can help them out, we certainly will. So reach out to us at toddsheds.com, and we'd be more than happy to see if we can help you out with your new build.